taga Quezon City. So, mas mo ako, ilang taon ka na? Honest Robin, I will smell your perfect hair. Oh, you can. Just like this. Why all the posts with someone? I don't know, but just click on the poll. I don't know that. Miss 28. Oh, bata mo pa. Kasi ako 42 na ako. I am 42. I've texted you. Okay, I will read it later. On my WhatsApp. Text, but I can't reply your message because it's too expensive. So I can reply you in my WhatsApp. Hi Sabrina. Hi ladies. Hi Ariane. You're watching from. Hello. I'm very sleepy. Tomb. 2 minutes more to go before end live. Ano ba itong tatawag-tawag? Mag-live pa man ako. Hi, wait, wala na siguro yung signal ba? Hi. I have follow, yes, but I'm still live. Are you a serious wife? Yes, why not? Oh my god. Your room, okay. Shout out from Ed. Boss Onin. Sino ba to si Boss Onin? Hi Boss Onin. Onin. Shout out. Beautiful mom. Bilang po ba? Later, call me later because I live and finish my live, okay? Please support me. How can I support you? Also, Magoyan Sky. Hi, Magoyan Sky. Hello, shout out. 200. Told you, yes, later. I like your sexy looks. Thank you. Oh, sexy looks. No. Please pick my video call later. So, big mom. This is a big mom. Your room good. Hi, Korty. Hi. Hello. Just some seconds before I please receive the call later. Have to sleep. No, mom, I have to sleep. Okay. I think you people stay and will not build a real family. Why? I have my son. Video call you. Yes, you can video call on my WhatsApp. Video call. Hello. Hello. Hi, you are not joining my membership. I have also there my super chat, super stickers. Okay, this is all for tonight.